Okay, welcome back again. Today we have a lecture and we are going to start something else. I remember that we stopped here in 10 to us what? 2 to power 2 to point what? 4, right? We are here. Quiz later, no worries. Okay, so I'm gonna organize everything. So we have a combining two functions. How many functions do we have? 2. We try to combine by what? Maybe by addition or subtraction or division or multiplication. You can see from here, you can see we have two functions, f and g. How is addition? Is easy. How is subtraction? Just make them together. For example, to understand, I'm going to give you this example like f of x is equal to, so 2.5 combining function. We have f of x equal to x squared, for example. G of x, just listen, it's easy. Square root of x. If I say f dot g means that two functions multiply. Just do it like that. We don't need anything else. And in your lecture note, mention the domain, but when you study it, forget about the domain. Domain is not included for your department. Understood, I say. So cancel that one. So generally, just try to see how to add two functions. This is the first function, this is the second. This is the first, second, and subtraction. This is easy, but during the exam, I'm going to give you composite of two functions. Sorry. So how we do it? We are going to, for example, if I have a function, just try to understand the first part, the second are repeated. I say f of x equal to, for example, x squared plus 1. G of x equal to square root of x minus 2, like that. So how we combine them? Because I'm going to leave the others as a homework for you. So kindly try to understand. For combining composite two functions, I say f circle g of x is equal to, I'm going to take the first one, fix the first one, and make the second one as a combination, as a package. So here's the package. Okay, good. Now I put g of x in the package directly without changing f, using f. This is the first part. Clear? Then I'm going to put this in the function of f. How? F say what? F say I have a something. If I have a anything, I will make this thing, this package, 2b squared plus 1. Am I right? For example, if you have a 7, I will make it 50 for you. How? 7 squared, 49, and I'm going to give you 1, you'll get 50. So this is the property of the f. That's why I'm going to put here and done. Tamam, finished. Later you can do, say, x minus 2 plus 1, and I have x minus 1. Understood here? The important, how to substitute. This is important, but the other one is very. Now I'm going to change my mentality, like g circle f. G circle f of x. How about that one? Again, by the same strategy. So if you didn't understand the first, try to understand the second. F of x. I should put what? Which function first? F, you are right. So I have g of package. It was what? X squared plus 1. Am I right? Now, how about g? G say that whatever you have, take a square root and minus 2. Now I have what? I have this package, so I'm going to put it here. Understood? And by the result, I'll get what? And kindly do not separate the square root, because you know the square root cannot be separated with the addition or subtraction, but can be distributed over multiplication and division. So careful, that's the answer. During the exam, I'm going to ask you 4 things. F circle G, G circle F. How about F circle F, the third one? So by the same strategy, I say f of x. By the first f, I have what? X squared plus 1. Am I right? How about by the second? I say I have the something squared plus 1. What was that square? X squared plus 1 again. Understood, dear? Then you can expand that one. How about the fourth question? I say G circle G of x. Or maybe I say G circle G at 2. I select the number for you. So let me give you the clue for the general case. Then you can write or answer this all. We say G Gx, right? The first G, it was what? Like what? You remember? How about the second? The second, say anything that you have minus 2. I have what? You got it, dear? It's easy. Loop in the loop and the loop. Maybe I'll give you 3 examples like that. Then I'm going to leave this one for you. It's easy. Maybe that one is easy and important itself, and exercises also. Now look at here. Maybe I'll give you 3 examples, 3 functions. And I'm going to ask you f, g, h. How we find them? Help me. Yalla Jamaat. We have f, circle g, circle h, and we have f, g, h. So by default, I say I have h of x. Am I right? So how about h is equal to f circle g? How about h is x plus 3? Do you have any question about the first step? Easy. Take the last one, be the first one, right? Now, take the second one to be the second one. So tell me about g. If you give anything to g in here in this example, we'll make it to power 10. So I have what? I will get, yes, f x plus 3 to power 10. Am I right? And how about f? If you give anything to f, we'll make it x plus 1. So I say is equal to what? I say this package that I have itself plus 10, plus 1. Understood? You can see from your lecture note, everything is clear. H is like that, G is like that, F is like that. Easy, right? So kindly try to understand how to solve this one, and exercise also important. This is about chapter 2. Do you have any question about chapter 2? Because I'm going to chapter, we put a 4, right? Chapter 4 for you. Dears, do you have any question?